Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today I'll be doing a video walk-around of our 2016 GMC Acadia. This Acadia is featured in our Denali trim package. It comes with our dark gray metallic paint as well as our silver alloy rims. Now onto the interior of the Acadia. We have our dark brown leather as well as our tan leather. We have a wooden strip that runs through underneath as well as below. We also have our chrome door handle. We have our memory seats as well as our lock and unlock, our rear window lock, our 4 window switches for front and rear, as well as our power mirror fold-ins and our power mirror adjustment. Just below we have our Bose speaker as well and storage. To the left of the steering wheel we have our daytime running light setting as well as our interior lighting with ambient lights. We have our red odometer, as well as on the right side of the wheel we have our volume controls as well as our radio controls and voice commands and phone hang-up. To the left we have our cruise control command as well as our heated steering wheel. And just to the right of the steering wheel we have our controls for the odometer. In the dash we also have our storage compartment that pops up. The radio features our CD player, our touchscreen infotainment system, as well as our hazard button and park assist below. Here we have our climate controls with our LCD screen in the middle to display the current temperature in the cabin. Just below that we have some other features as well as our cooled and heated seats. We also have our rear window wipers, our traction control, our tow assist, as well as our power liftgate, and heated and cooled on the passenger side as well. We have our storage compartment, as well as a USB and a 12-volt charging port. We have that same wood grain that continues down into the center console area. We have our 2 cup holders, as well as our gear select stalk. We have our center console with brown leather on the top. If we go ahead and move this out of the way, we also have more storage below. Coin storage as well as just general storage beside that. The seats are our light tan leather, patent leather above with our light leather stitching, our light tan stitching as well, and vented leather lower down. On the rear view mirror, we have our on-start command controls, and just above we have our garage door opener and sunroof controls as well. Now to the outside of the Acadia, you'll notice those chrome rims. We have our Denali branding as well as our chrome running boards, chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tint, which is our tinted rear glass, 35% tint on that. Our dual exhaust on the back, along with our chrome Acadia branding and our all-wheel drive. If we push the rubber pad in the handle spot or use the key, it'll activate our power liftgate. On the inside we have our straps to fold down both the rear seats, as well to the right the adjustments for the audio or the DVD player. The button above is just located on the underside of the tailgate, or you can use the key as well. Onto the interior rear of the Acadia, we have that same dark brown leather as well as our tan leather combination. We have our chrome door handle, our wooden accents in the close handle, as well as our window controls and cup holder, storage below. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holder, as well as our climate controls for the rear, as well as audio controls, 2 auxiliary inputs as well. Those go alongside with the DVD player above. Just below that we have our inputs for our DVD player. We have our charging port as well as our 12 volts and 2 USBs below, so plenty of charging space. The seats themselves in the rear feature that same tan leather with our tan stitching and our vented leather lower down. The rear we have a 60-40 split with the rear seats also featuring that vented leather. We have our cup holders in storage as well as speakers, and if we choose to lay down that 60% seat, we have plenty of storage in the back as well. Thank you for watching this video walk-around of our 2016 GMC Acadia. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.